Okay, hey, we're in Waterside. Can we get in this door?
Can we get in? No,
Can't get in
can't
the door.
seem to get in that door.
Where do you guys go in the sandstorm?
Hold on, this looks like a place that would be shelter. Hold
Where?
on.
Oh God, I lost you.
It looks like. I see you running. Here, right here.
Look right here.
You see me? Turn around. Turn around. You see
Right
me
there.
crouched?
This shelter?
I mean, this right here in the corner. You would
Oh, get in the corner. I was trying to find a house.
I know you
Oh,
were,
God.
but
Oh,
we
God.
haven't found one place.
Let's see. Is this shelter here? There's so little shelter here.
There's a very little shelter.
Yeah.
You would think more shelter would be here.
I mean, honestly, we're in
All
a
right.
town.
I know. All right.
We're in a town. Should have shelter.
Do you want to go somewhere else?
I mean, this is gonna work.
Is it?
I mean, we're in shelter. Might have to drink a thing. Why am I bloody?
I keep on, because I'm hitting
Bitch!
you. I keep on hitting
Quit
you.
it!
Crouch is C, that's right. It wasn't alt or control.
God, drink this.
Oh, I could drink something too.
No,
I'll
I
do
know,
that.
but it does work. It stopped us healing.
Oh no, just there you go. All right, now.
Yeah, it didn't work at all.
It did for me. It brought my health up a little bit.
I mean, a little bit.
Yeah.
Not even a smidge.
I could
Oh,
probably.
now I'm dizzy from thirst.
You'll be okay.
All right, I think the sandstorm's calming down.
Yeah. That was fun.
Oh, and look at her just dancing. You're used to it, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. Maybe you could let us in your little freaking hut over here.
Oh my god. Okay, Duralius.
Yeah.
Have you seen one of these things yet?
Oh God.
That?
Oh Jesus balls.
Me and Neebs fought one. It's not too bad if we team up together. Oh my god, it's 3 skulls though.
Oh,
that's
shit.
different.
Oh God, of course he's on me. Damn it.
Oh god, I hit him.
I gotta repair my
That did
thing.
not do much.
Okay.
Yeah, you know what? I'm running. Oh my god, he's already about to murder me.
I wish I had some spider balls.